Today we will see the second question, that is the write the following numbers using international numerals. So first we write these numerals, that is first one is V, second one is VII, third one is X, fourth one is XIII, fifth one is XIV, sixth one is XVI, and seventh one is XVIII, eighth one is IX. So we have to find all these numbers. I know you have already write all these numbers. So what is mean by V? Yes, you know that is the V means 5. VII means 5 plus 1 plus 1, that makes 7. You all know the X means 10. What is mean by XIII? X means 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 3, that is 13. XIV, that is X means 10, IV means 4, so we get 14. X means 10 plus VI means 6, we get 16. Then X means 10 plus 8, V means 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 5 plus 3, we get 8. So 10 plus 8 means 18. And I plus X means, I and X means 9. Then we will see something more in Roman numerals. So we already know that I means 1, V means 5, X means 10. So if we have to write 40, then we can write like this. But when you have to write 50, you can use L for 50. Like this, C for 100 and D for 500, M for 1000. So as we see the Roman numerals, we write like this. So it is not easy to read or write your numbers using Roman numerals. It also makes calculation difficult. Means if you want to do 50 plus 100, so you have to make L plus C. So it's some C's, it is easy, but actually it's not easy. You have learned to write numbers using the 10 digit 0 to 9. In that system, the value of digit depends upon its place in the numbers. The system of writing numbers is called the decimal system. You can call this decimal system. Means if you write this number, so we get this face value is 5. If we see the place value, it is ones place, it is a tens place. So this writing numbers is called decimal system. Now we are going to learn number work. Lesson number 2, number work. This is only revision. We already learned in 4th the number work. So we take first problem in problem set 2. First question is using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to make 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers and read this number. Okay, so first we write one numbers using this digit. So we make first 3, 5, 6, 7, 4 digit numbers we make. So this is our answer. 3, 5, we take 7, 8. Okay. So this is 4 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number. We can read like this. So this is in thousand place. So we can read this. This is 3000 and it is on 100 place. 10 place and 1's place. So number we can read this 3578. Second question, you can see the filling the blanks in the table below. See the Devanagari numerals are there, international numerals are there and number written in words. So we read the next number and write it also. The second number is this 3, 2. This is in the Devanagari numerals. So you can say 3, 2, 7, 5, 6. And in international numerals you can write 3, 2, 7, 5 and 6. Then the number written in words. This is on 1000 place. Okay. This makes 32,756. So you can read this 32,756. Other questions are also there, so you have to do this. Take a screenshot or I can send you a pic of this page. Now we are start to learning that is introducing 6-digit numbers. We started to reading the conversation between teacher and Ajay. So what said teacher that how much do you think is the price of four-wheeler? Ajay, maybe about 6 or 7 lakh rupees. Teacher, do you know exactly how much 1 lakh is? Ajay says, it's a lot, isn't it? More than even 10,000, right? Teacher says, yes, indeed. Let's find out just how much. What is 999 plus 1? Ajay says, it's 1000. Teacher says, you have learned to write 9902. So now if you add 1000 to that, you will get 100,000. That's what we call 1 lakh. Vijay says 9,999 plus 1 is 10,000. We had made the 10,000 place for it. Can we make a place for 1 lakh too in the same way? Teacher says, yes, of course. Carry out the addition 99,999 plus 1 and see what you get. So, we will see here that 9,999 plus 1, it makes 9 plus 1 get 10. Carry forward 1. Here we are carrying over till we have to make a place for the lakh on the left of the 10,000 place. And we write the last carried over 1 that in that place. The sum we get is read as a 1 lakh. Vijay says Kisha Kaka bought a second hand car for 2.5 lakh rupees. Ajay says there is this is the next conversation between Vijay Ajay. Ajay says how much is 2.5 lakh? Teacher says 1 lakh is 100,000. So half a lakh is 50,000 because half of 100 is 50. Vijay says that means 2.5 lakh is 2,50,000. Teacher says now write this number in figures. Vijay 2,50,000. Teacher says we have seen that 100,000 is 1 lakh. If we have 1,000 notes of 100 rupees, how many rupees would they make? Vijay says 1,000 notes of 100 rupees would make 1 lakh rupees. This is a conversation between teacher Ajay and Vijay. So what we understand from this conversation, that is 9,999 plus 1, it makes 10,000. Second thing is that 99,999, if we add 1 in that, we make 1 lakh. 1 lakh means it is 100,000. Half a lakh means 50,000. And 2.5 lakh means 2,50,000. 1,000 of 100 rupees means 1,000 into 100, it makes 1 lakh. Now we see the sum numbers of 6 digit. We can read like this: 2,35,705. You can write like this: 2,35,705. Now I shall give some numbers to you. This is the numbers. Try to write it. Please note down this number. Next we started to learning the writing 6-digit numbers in figures. So here is the number 8,09,043. There are 8 lakhs in this number. So there are no 10,000. So we write 0 in that place. So we write first 8 in the lakhs place, and we write 0 in the 1,000 place, means 9,000. So we write 0 here, then 9,000, 9 in 1,000 place, and we write 0 in 100 place, as there are no hundreds. So we write 0 here. 43 is equal to 4 tens and 3 units. So in the tens and unit places we write 4 and 3. So we get these figures: 8,09,043. See, when writing numbers in figures, write the digit in the highest place first, and then each of the next smaller places. Write the proper digit from 1 to 9. Write 0 if there is no digit in that place. For example, the number take, that is 8,09,043 is written. Okay, so we can write 8,09,043. It is wrong. It should be written as 8,09,043. And here we have to write 0 in the 10,000 place. Okay. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. See you back in the next lecture.